What's the meaning of blamelessly? Blamelessly. Blamelessly.
Blamelessly. Blamelessly. The word blamelessly refers to a state of being without fault or guilt. It implies that a person or action is free from blame or reproach. To act blamelessly is often associated with honesty, integrity, and a strong moral compass. People who strive to act blamelessly typically prioritize fairness, justice, and ethical behavior, and they seek to avoid causing harm or damage to others. Acting blamelessly can be challenging, particularly in complex situations where there are multiple competing interests or conflicting viewpoints. However, by striving to act with integrity and responsibility, individuals can earn the respect and trust of others and build stronger relationships over time.